UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres called to forget the political conflicts in order to help the Syrian people affected by the earthquake. In an interview with the Arab news channel, the UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres said about the tragedy that happened in Turkey and Syria, to support the affected people, it is a moment when we should unite, he said, and called to put political differences aside. Turkey is the homeland of many refugees in the world. He showed unprecedented generosity to his Syrian neighbors. In fact, 3.6 million Syrians have been living in Turkey for more than 10 years. Many of them have now become victims of the earthquake, said the Secretary-General. Guterres spoke on the day when the UN humanitarian convoy crossed the border in northwestern Syria and expressed concern about the slow pace of the aid operation. According to his words, the convoy includes 6 trucks carrying shelter supplies and other critical supplies, but added that this was a small part of the aid needed in the rebel-held area. Help is on the way, but there's more. More is needed, Guterres said. The Syrian government wants all international aid to pass through Damascus using a system known as cross-border operations. This means that humanitarian aid is first delivered to the authorities in the capital, and then distributed to where it is needed, including in rebel-held areas of the country. The Syrian government opposes cross-border humanitarian aid, which is delivered directly to the affected areas, bypassing Damascus, withdrawing from any contact with the government. In particular, the EU and the US confirmed their readiness to send aid to the Syrian people, but reiterated their opposition to any form of normalization of relations with the Assad regime. Guterres stressed that any form of aid is very important. We have to act. We need to activate all forms of aid. And I call for this issue not to be politicized, he said. He also called for the lifting of international sanctions of any kind against Syria. At the same time, everyone should make it clear that no sanctions will prevent aid to the Syrian people, he said. Guterres.